Hey friends, if scroll bars are missing in Microsoft Excel, then please watch this video. So search for Excel and open Excel. Okay, now first of all, I will show you what scroll bars are. This is the vertical scroll bar and this is the horizontal scroll bar. I have these because I'm showing you, but if these are missing, then here's what the reason could be. Click on File, select Options, go to Advanced, scroll down to the display section. You'll find the horizontal scroll bar and the vertical scroll bar. For the sake of this example, I will disable the vertical scroll bar by unchecking the box associated with it and clicking on OK. See, the vertical scroll bar is gone now. If I want it back, then what would I do? The obvious answer, I'll go to File, I'll go to Accounts, I'll go to Advanced, I will scroll down, and then under the display section, I will check the box associated with vertical scroll bar. And then I'll click on OK and the vertical scroll bar is back. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.